arrange a messed up day. When you're having something which is messed up, which is like shuffled, how will you change that? How will you be able to clean that day? Like whenever we are so late, we have got a lot of things that we have to fix, we have to tackle. So previous video we have talked about like how to tackle chaos. So this is something like chaos, like when you are messed up with like your syllabus, your works, your tasks, your unfinished things. You you're so like you need to clarify yourself, but you don't get it. So how will you change that? First of all, when you are messed up with a lot of things, you need to delete it. You need to delete all the things like in front of you. A lot of things, books, texts, laptops, computers, a lot of should be turned off. You have to think and sit down and take a pen and start writing which things you're leaving, which things is the most important right now. So first, you have got a target. You have to finish by this deadline. So what will you do? You'll have to like uh, you'll have to take a note, then a pen, then start writing which is the most hard or which is the more important essential thing right now I have to fix. It's supposed to be done. So you take it and you finish it with 100% focus. At the time you can't think about other tasks. You need to forget the other tasks exist. So this is the first principle I apply in my study. So in my study, and I really get chill and motivated when I can finish it completely. So that's my philosophy. So I will say to apply this when you're having like fully uh, apprehension in your heads to clarify things. Sorry, there is a cat. uh, the cat is here, you can see. Yes, that's the cat. He's like, I don't know what he's doing here. Let him do his work. Wait, we need to do our work. This is his task every day, killing mice. And yeah, so this is the first principle I will say you. So now he's visiting my house, so let's go. So this is the first principle you must apply when you're having like you can fix rocket science even with this with this like principle, with this law. So make this. In this 2 minutes of video, you can earn a lot of things from my voice, as I have experienced like 3 years. For 3 years, this kind of mental barriers. So the reason I talk these, uh, as I'm a student of language club where I learn English, so I need to practice that. So I practice it through giving people advice. No matter how much people see it, no matter how much people like it or subscribe, I don't wish for that. If anyone wants to do, he will do it without any force. So take care and stay well.